Welcome everybody. As we continue another Transformers week, we've got Hoist. According to what I'm reading, he was the a medical robot, not quite up to Ratchet standards, but he was sort of the mechanic. They characterize him as the family doctor on the Transformers wiki. His thermal patch is not working either, but pretty straightforward transformation out, and you sort of rotate those in, and it locks in under the bumper. Same on that. And you rotate his feet in, pop his arms out, back, and then bring his head up there, and then his arms bend out at that point. And this is, to me, one of the big downsides of the Transformers toys is his hands are gone forever now. He does have, I like the details on his head. But let's say I don't. It looks like they were. Yeah, it looks like they did actually launch. They got the buttons to. They usually turn them into projectiles. Let's say not the smoothest transformation or the, let's say, most detailed toy, but it's cool. I like and I notice you can tell when they reuse models from other toy lines or whatever, because let's see, turn him back and I'll finish my thought. Okay, there it goes. Because for some reason he has access to his cockpit, which isn't, there's a few of the Autobots, of the Transformers rather, that have that kind of access, but that's got to be a leftover from a different toy where they repurposed this one. Just, hey, y'all, you got a transforming robot? We'll turn him into a transformer. But I'd say that's a cool little. He's obviously supposed to be like a tow truck. I'm not sure if I had other accessories here for him or not. I can't remember. And still actually really good rolling for a toy that old. Pretty cool little thing. Alright folks, thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.